It's been close to 3 years since the Aarushi Hemraj double murders took place, and the mysterious appearance of Hemraj's wife for the first time has added a new twist to the murky tale. Hemraj's wife Kumkula now has said that her husband told her 15 days before his murder that there was a threat to his life.
14-year-old girl found dead in her bedroom. The next day, the servant's body discovered on the terrace. What really happened in the Aarushi Talwar murder case? This case remains a mystery as the murderer has not yet been convicted. Aarushi Talwar, daughter of Dr. Rajesh and Dr. Nupur Talwar Hemraj, live-in domestic help. On May 16, 2008, Dr. Nupur Talwar, Aarushi's mother, reportedly woke up early and found Aarushi's bedroom door locked. Dr. Rajesh Talwar, Aarushi's father, began knocking and calling out her name. Eventually, they got a key, or broke open the door. They found Aarushi lying dead on her bed, her throat slit, and her body covered with a bedsheet. The parents were in utter disbelief. At first, suspicion fell on Hemraj, their live-in domestic help, who was missing at the time. Police even issued an alert for Hemraj, thinking he was on the run. But, on the morning of May 17th, some officers noticed bloodstains on the stairs leading to the terrace of the Talwar residence. They had not searched the terrace properly the day before. The terrace had remained locked, and the key was reportedly with Dr. Rajesh Talwar. Dr. Rajesh insisted that the police should search for Hemraj instead of searching the house. After getting access to the terrace, either the key was provided or the door was broken open. Reports vary. Police found Hemraj's decomposing body lying there. He had also been brutally killed, with his throat slit, just like Aarushi. This changed everything. Hemraj was not the killer. He was also a victim. It exposed major lapses in the police's initial investigation. The Noida police faced heavy criticism for mishandling the case. Police began to suspect the parents. Dr. Rajesh Talwar, Aarushi's father, was arrested on May 23, 2008, by the Noida police. Police claimed it was a crime of passion, suggesting that Dr. Talwar found Aarushi and Hemraj in an objectionable situation and killed them in a fit of rage. But this theory lacked solid forensic evidence. Here are the main factors the police used to justify their claim that Dr. Rajesh Talwar murdered Aarushi. 1. No forced entry or robbery. There were no signs of forced entry into the house, suggesting that the killer was an insider or someone known to the family. 2. Locked and cleaned crime scenes. Aarushi's bedroom door was locked from the outside, and only the Talwars reportedly had the key. Hemraj's body was found on the terrace 2 days later. The terrace door was locked, and Talwars had the keys, but never allowed police to check the terrace initially. 3. The clean golf stick. A golf stick from Rajesh Talwar's set was suspected to be the murder weapon. It was thoroughly cleaned, with no fingerprints, raising suspicion. 4. No one else was present. The Talwars and Aarushi were the only ones at home on the night of the murder, and Hemraj was a servant. Despite the weak evidence, the CBI court convicted Rajesh and Nupur Talwar in November 2013, sentencing them to life imprisonment. The judgment was highly controversial, with many legal experts and journalists criticizing the conviction based on circumstantial evidence and no motive clearly proven. In October 2017, the Allahabad High Court acquitted both Talwars, stating, "The CBI failed to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. The trial court acted based on presumption, not evidence." The court criticized the investigation and prosecution for building a narrative without proof. The Talwars were released from Dasna jail in Ghaziabad, where they had spent nearly 4 years. The case remains a mystery. This case has left many questions unanswered. What do you think really happened that night? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, as the next episode is going to be about a 45-year-old man who shared details of his 18-acre land and unmarried status with a religious speaker on camera. He was allegedly murdered by a woman who faked her identity to marry him and seize his property.